Okay, so this next video is to do with finding tangents and normals to curves, and there's a really nice way of doing that on the calculator. So if you select graph mode and you type in the equation of your curve, so I've got one there, x squared minus 1, and push draw. There we go, so I've got a nice picture of my curve. And at the point 1, I want to have the gradient of that point 1 so that I can find the tangent equation, and I also want to get the perpendicular gradient so I can get the normal equation. Now, in order for this to work, you must make sure that you've already set up your calculator. So in Shift Setup, you must make sure that derivative is set to on. That will help you with more information when doing questions of this nature. Okay, so if I now go to Sketch, which is F4, you'll see I've got tangent and normal. So if I want to sketch a tangent at the point when x is 1, I simply select tangent, and I can use the arrows, which is quite a nice function, especially for teachers, but I can also just type in 1. Excuse me. Okay, and it gives me the gradient at that point, which is 2, and it also gives me the coordinates. But it doesn't just do that. If I then push execute to kind of stamp it down on the diagram, you'll see it will also then produce the equation of the tangent for me. So it's got all the working as well as the answer, which is really nice. If I want to do the normal, it's exactly the same thing. So sketch normal. And again, I can use my arrows, but it's quicker just to type 1. And there we go, it will give me my gradient of the tangent in this case, not the gradient of the normal, and the coordinates. But when I push execute, it will stamp it down on my diagram and it will bring up the equation of that normal. So it's a really nice way of drawing tangents and normals to a curve.